Namaste, and welcome to another Qigong class with Bob and Fran. In today's class, we'd like to teach you one of our favorite Qigong sets called the 4 directions. So follow with us, do your best, and enjoy yourself. You can do this sitting or standing. So we start by separating our hands and moving our feet so they're about shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider, just so you feel balanced and connected to the earth. So the 4 directions drill starts with the rising of the hands, and as if the wrists were being pulled by strings from the heavens. So it's the rising of the wrists, and the wrists are loose here, soft. So let's try that again. Follow along. So you do this with an inhalation. We breathe in and out through the nose up to about the shoulders. And then we roll the wrists down so the fingertips are pointing forward. Then we move the elbows back slightly and push the heels of the hands down to the first position, down. And the body sinks as well, so you engage the body. Let's try it again. Inhale. Roll the wrists. Lower the elbows. Push down with the heels of the hands, first direction. Good. One more time. Inhale. Roll the wrists. Drop the elbows, push the heels of the hands down. So all of that is done very subtly, and one move into the other. Let's do it one more time. Inhale. Exhale. The second direction starts the same way, but this time the fingertips stay up. So you lower the elbows here, widen out just about to your shoulders, and then push, with hands being very soft here, push forward as you sink. To the second direction is forward. So let's try that again. Inhale. Push forward. Good. And back. One more time. Inhale. Sink and widen. Push forward. Good. Let's try the first and the second now. Inhale. Roll the wrists. Push to the first direction, down. Now the second direction starts the same way, but we keep the fingertips up, lower the elbows, widen the hands, and push forward. Second direction is forward. Let's try that again. First and second. Breathe in. Breathe out. Down. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Exhale. Forward. One more time. We're going to repeat the first 2, and then we'll go to the third direction. Inhale. Roll the wrists. Push forward. Push down as you sink. Inhale. Fingertips up. Sink. Widen. Push as you sink. From this position, the hands are extended, and we move them together to form sort of a pyramid in front of your heart. Then stand and move the pyramid in to about 10 inches or so away from your chest. Then we drop the elbows, and we push to the third direction, out, gently. So we don't lock the elbows here, we just push out from the shoulders. And then we come back in to the pyramid, to the fourth direction, which is up. And we hold that pose toward the heavens for just a second or so, keeping the triangle. And then release and lower the arms at the sides, exhaling down. Let's try all four together, see how we do. Inhale, roll the wrists, drop the elbows, push down with the heels of the hands, down, first direction. Inhale, fingertips up, sink, widen, push forward, second direction. Pyramid, draw it back in, lower the elbows, extend the arms out to the sides, out, the third direction. Come back in, pyramid again, to the fourth direction, up, and then float the hands down. Let's do one final one, all four, in silence. The four directions. You did a great job. Repeat this anytime you feel that you want a little extra energy. This is a great little set to cultivate that energy and keep you energized throughout your day. So we end just as we began. And we'll see you soon. Namaste.